Hello students, before starting today's topic, I want to make you understand something. So here you are just seeing some candies are here and I want to divide these candies into equal parts. So these are total 10 candies and I want to distribute these candies equally among 5 students. So let's share 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you are just seeing that I have divided these 5 candies. I have given these 5 candies to 5 students. Still I am having some candies. So again we just divide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can see that 10 candies I have shared or distributed among 5 students in equal group. I am having 5 group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I have divided these 10 candies among these 5 students equally. So yes students, today's topic is division. This is called division. I have divided. So division is a process of sharing or dividing into equal groups. Let's start division here. So student, this is the symbol of division. For this, let's take one example. 47 divided by 4. And how we write this? When we explain 4 and the right side of 4, we write 47. You know, these things has some name. The solution, here we are getting some name. The number to be divided. The number to be divided. Which number is divided here? 47. So this number is called dividend. This number is called dividend. The number which divides the dividend. The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. Then the number third, that result is called quotient. And the result that we get is called remainder. So these 4 parts we have to learn. Then we should know some division facts. And before that, we should remember that division is the repeated subtraction. Division is the repeated subtraction. You can see here we are subtracting. So division is the repeated subtraction. Then here are some division facts we have to understand here. The first one is 0 divided by any natural number gives 0 as the quotient. Suppose I am writing here 0 and we have to divide 0 by 2, 3, 4 and any natural number we can take. So the quotient that will come always 0. Second is any number divided by 1 gives the number itself as the quotient. Means suppose I am dividing 8 by 1 or any number we can take in place of 8, then the quotient will come always the number itself, means dividend itself. Suppose I am dividing here 6. 6 is divided by 1. Then the quotient will come here 6. Next, any number divided by itself gives 1 as the quotient. Suppose I am dividing here 6 by same number. So the quotient will come always 1. Like next 10. 10 divided by 10. The quotient will come here 1. And the fourth one is a number cannot be divided by 0. No number cannot be divided by 0. 6 or any number we can take. If it is written like that, 6 divided by 0, then it will not done. Now here we will understand how to divide by repeated addition. Suppose it is written 120 divided by 20. I told you division is the repeated subtraction. So what will we do? We will divide it by subtraction. Means this dividend is here 120. By this 120 will subtract this dividend. So students, here we will understand how to divide by repeated subtraction. One example is here 120 divided by 20. Here 120 is dividend and 20 is divisor. So what we'll do? We'll subtract divisor by the dividend until it will become 0. Like 120 minus 20. So what will come 120 minus 20? 100. Then we got the result 100. It is not 0. We have to make it 0. How? Again we will divide by this 100 what? 20 divisor. So what will come? 100 minus 20? 80. Then 80 comes. Again by 80 we will subtract 20. 80 minus 20? 60. Then again 60 minus 20? 40. Then again 40 minus 20? 20. Then again 20 minus 20? 0. So how many steps we have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps we have to take to get the 0. So the answer will be here 6. Okay. So we just see once again. We subtract the divisor by dividend till it will become 0. 120 minus 20, 100. Then whatever answer we got, by that answer we will subtract the divisor again until it comes 0. So students, exercise 5.1 you will do in notebook by mentioning today's date.